Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to talk about the battery life on the MSI laptops. So for example, in this model it has been flawed many times on many forums like Reddit for its low battery life, and I would agree with that. For normal work it's about 2 to 3 hours, and if you, for example, fire up a game in the performance mode, this will be cut significantly, at least on the MSI Style 15M. And you can also adjust the settings of your battery when you open up search. Here you have to go to settings and find system, and here if you scroll down you'll find the power and battery, and you can set the power mode to balanced or best power efficiency if you want to prioritize the battery life over the performance. And you have to just test the battery life on your own laptop, because they will differ significantly. For example, if you play a game, low demanding game, I don't know, like Mario, like all Mario on the emulator, it won't be a big demand. But if you play something like League of Legends or Fortnite, it will be a significant impact on your battery. So you have to just test it on your own. Like I said, if you, for example, just watch YouTube or something, the laptop might last like 4 hours, give it or take. So I believe we're done for the video. If you considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.